Hey guys, sorry. This is my sister's table, so also don't watch the background because it's so bad. So today we're gonna make this origami model. It's this springy thingy. Watch this. Boink. No, it's actually on gravity. Okay, fine. Let me just boink. There. So you see this, right? You just boink. See, it's a springy thingy. So you see this? So sometimes when you end up like it's not perfect or something like this, and you're like, hey, I want to throw it away, and you're like, oh my god, what a waste of paper. But actually, you can turn it into my springy thing. Even if it's failed, you can still do it. So this is literally my failed project when I was like, I want to recycle paper. So for my school project, and my teacher asked for us to recycle paper somehow. So I thought of this idea. So what you do is first, you see this, right? So you fold it up on right here. Then you turn over something like this strip here. Then you fold up. Then you keep folding up like this. Like this. Ta-da! Look at this. Cool, right? But you're like, hey, that's not what I want. Like, you're like, hey, that's not what I want though. But not yet. You fold it up. This part you fold it up. Then you see this part, right? You're like, what do we do? So you first hold it. You just start doing this, and this part should like do this, and now you just make it round. So then you're almost done, but you just need to unwind a bit of this. So now it should work. 3, 2, 1. If you do it fast, it's faster. Look, see, it's higher and faster if you do it faster. See? So see you later. Bye.